How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen up. We have to break down Nvidia stock. It's been about 2-3 days since we covered the chart, so I want to go over what we're looking like as we're heading into tomorrow, which, by the way, on Friday tomorrow, we have a short day of trading. We close at 1 p.m., I believe, on the East Coast, so keep that in mind. So yeah, we have to break down the charts, do an update, go over my thoughts, and by the way, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And you have 2 more days to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Don't forget to do that. Open up your account using the link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks when you do that, and a $30 cash bonus, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. You have 2 more days to get your stocks. And again, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So on Wednesday, Nvidia stock ended up selling off again. We went down 1.1% on the day, and earlier in the day, I think right smack dab in the middle of the day actually, we were down to $131 per share. You heard that right. So on Wednesday, we actually took out the lows here on the 5-day 5-minute, which clearly we're downtrending on this time frame, right? Each of the last couple of days, we've taken out the low for the most part from the last day, from the previous day. And in this case, we did that on Wednesday. Like I said, we hit 131. We took out the lows from Tuesday and Monday, obviously from Friday of last week as well. So Nvidia keeps on selling off, which, if you have a long-term perspective, which I do, you're liking this. This is music to your ears, right? You get to buy the dip if you want to, that is, not financial advice, but you can actually add more to your position as the company, the stock, gets cheaper. And each dollar it goes down, it gets a little bit cheaper, guys, and the PE ratio, we've covered it before, was attractive when the stock was in the 140s, and now we're at 135. If it gets lower than that, 120s, 110s, the hundreds, if it gets down there, it's going to get more and more and more and more attractive. And guys, I don't think it's going to go down to 100, 110, 120. I don't think it will. But if it does, that would be a screaming buy, in my opinion. So clearly, we hit a new low on Wednesday. But with that being said, we actually then rallied for the rest of the day. We had a nice recovery rally on Wednesday off the low. We ran up about 3% heading into close. And even in the aftermarket, we crept up to 136. So from the low on Wednesday to the aftermarket high, we were up around 3.1%. Pretty good. And here on the 20-day chart, we actually hit a low as well on Wednesday. We took out the recent low from a couple weeks ago, about a month ago. We hit on the 31st of October. We hit 132. So we momentarily broke that low. You guys see it, but then we obviously recovered over it as we closed over 135, which is good news. But overall, guys, on the 4-hour, you're noticing we're under the moving averages. We're about to get a death cross. Potentially the 50 SMA and the 180 SMA right now are right next to each other. You guys see it right here. And if I get the channel tool out on Nvidia heading into tomorrow on Friday, guys, we're still very much in this uptrend, right? This channel, you guys see it for yourselves. And where we are right now, although we're not fully getting a huge bounce, a ton of buying pressure, but where we are now could very well be a spot where we bounce in the short term here, right? Based on this chart, based on the higher lows that we've held in the past, this could be a spot where we get at least a relief rally. And maybe it's already starting. I mean, you guys saw on Wednesday we rallied from 131 to 136. Maybe that leads into tomorrow, Friday. Maybe, into next week. We shall see. But overall, guys, at this point, I'm eyeing up Nvidia to buy more. Me personally, I'm not telling you guys what to do, of course. As always, please do your own research. But I'm definitely looking to add to my position here, especially if it gets under 130, which I don't know if it will. We're already getting some buying a little bit above 130, but if somehow this thing slips through 130, it breaks this channel, which is possible, I'll be adding a lot more to my position, guys. That's just me. I don't know. What are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, make sure to join the email list. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email, and it's free. The beautiful thing is it's free. All you have to do is put your first name, your email address, using the link down below in the description box or the comment section, and boom, every Monday, again, for free, I'm sending you my top 3 stocks right to your email. Guys, get in on that using that link down below. So that's kind of what I'm watching out for. And in a beautiful, perfect world, if Nvidia bounces right back to all-time highs, we bounce at the bottom of this channel, this could be the most easy, beautiful swing trade of all time, right? If we get a nice rebound from 135 back to 150, that'd be a nice, 10, 12, 15% move in the stock, in the shares. And if you're buying options, not telling you to do that. If you're buying calls, which is very risky, do your own research, not financial advice. But if you're buying calls, guys, and that move completes back to 150, 155, those calls will go up obviously a lot more than the overall shares do. So, yeah, at this point, man, I'm eyeing up Nvidia, honestly, as a swing trade and for me to add more to my long-term position, like I said. And I'm even eyeing up call options. I'm not a big options guy. I know obviously how to trade options, calls, puts, selling calls, covered calls, cash secured puts. I know all about that stuff. But I haven't done it much lately especially in terms of buying calls and puts. That's way more risky. So we'll see what I do with Nvidia. I'm honestly a big fan, a much bigger fan of selling options, making some extra income. It's much less risky. If you do it right, the way or selling options, much less risky, obviously, than buying them. You can make some income on shares you already own. Obviously, you put up your shares as collateral, but if you do it right, you can make a nice profit even if your shares get called away. We're not going to get into that rabbit hole in this video, guys. But, yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now for Nvidia heading into tomorrow, heading into the next couple of days. And I'm curious what you guys are thinking in your head. Let me know in the comments down below. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks. I'm telling you, you have 2 more days to do this. Open up your account using the link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks when you do that, and a $30 cash bonus, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Mumu. Get your money, get your stocks. You have 2 more days to do it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.